Ever dreamed of designing your own website? Maybe you've seen stunning websites and thought, I wish I could create something like that. Today, I'll show you how to make that dream a reality, step by step. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this guide is for you. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Understanding the core concepts of web design is crucial. Web design sounds intimidating, but it's just a mix of creativity and some basic tools. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Step 1, choose your platform. This is where your journey begins. WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace are fantastic for beginners. Each platform has its own strengths and unique features. Pick one and dive in. Spend some time exploring the platform to get comfortable with its interface. Step 2, select a template. Templates are a great way to kickstart your design process. Templates give you a head start, offering pre-designed layouts that you can customize. They save you time and effort. Think of it like decorating a room. You get to add your personal touch. Step 3, customize. This is where your creativity shines. Play around with colors, fonts, and images. Experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your vision. Make sure your design is clean and easy to navigate. Simplicity is key. A clutter-free design enhances user experience. Step 4, content is king. Your design is important, but content is what keeps visitors engaged. Craft compelling text and visually appealing images. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Remember, your content should engage and inform your visitors. High-quality content can significantly boost your website's performance. Finally, step 5, test and launch. This is the moment you've been working towards. Preview your site on different devices, fix any bugs, and then hit publish. Testing ensures your website looks great and functions well on all devices. Congratulations! You've just designed your first website. Take a moment to celebrate your achievement. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a web design pro. Subscribe for more tips. Let's keep creating. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't forget to stay updated with the latest web design trends and tools.